Thin coat liquid clear applied. You tap into a little bit of this white. So I want to put a glow around here. So I'm just going to put this on quite gently to begin with. It's going to pull this out like a bit like a portal, really. Just to grey it down a little bit. So just going to cut across there and we're going to make some mountains. Up here. If you fancy supporting me, there's a new link in TikTok and on the YouTube. There's a new link and it's called Patreon. You can support me there if you feel that you can. If you're enjoying the videos that much and would just like to support, that would be very, very nice of you. Just up into that a little peak over here. Maybe that one's just a little bit in the distance so I can play around with that colour. And have this one coming in front and then sort of blending together there. Okay, that's quite nice, I like it. Nice little peak there. Look, right up here, look. Even just above there. Pushing all them ones behind. Right, I'm just going to tap around here and I want to make some mist. You can go up the mountain as far as you want with the mist. Light taps and dark taps. Just want to get this in the back, more in the background. Looking so pretty, love the moon. Yeah, me too. I'm really happy with the way that turned out. I appreciate your comment, thank you. I'm going to just keep tapping here. Get all that lovely beautiful mist. Lift this up. This is nice to do black and white. I mean, I've thought about it for a while, but to actually, you know, do it is two different things. Just around here that we can see. Just here, lift up. I'll show you them later. Can you see them little trees? I hope you can. Tiny little trees there. Maybe we can do a bit of mist around here. Just there. Right. Please tap the screen and please share, guys, if you can. That's nice, that's kind of what I'm looking for there. Come down here. That's all getting smaller, probably around that sort of area there. This is all about playing with light against dark. Lots of light against dark. There we go. And down here, let's just tap this out a little bit here. Across there. Well, I'm going to come to about there for now. I'm just cutting across there. Let's leave that little bit of mist behind there. Just a little bit of land there. As this gets to the bottom here, I'm just gonna just slightly swoop a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna come down to about here, I think. Just pulling that across. That's just the white on. It almost looks like it's grey there, but it's just white against the black. There's actually no black on that, apart from like the undertones, which is a dry acrylic, so that's pretty cool. We can just put in a little bit of foreground that comes down here. There's some things sticking up. This all going all the way across like that. There we go. I'm going to actually put some black on here, but just the minimal amount. I put a nice tree that comes all the way down here. Won't see much of this, but I'm going to put this tree here, and I'll put some little highlights on it. Obviously, that's when you'll see this tree. Lots of little taps here. Let's put them highlights on. A little friend. These two had a little sapling. And the smallest amount of, just a little touch. Going on there. It's just coming alive in front of our very eyes. Just a little bit of darkness down there. Yeah, tiny bits over here. Because that moon would cast a little bit of light across here, right? There we go. Push into this paint, and hopefully, if I'm lucky, I might just pick up a little bit of white at the end of the brush there. Can you see the way that that's picking that up? We might be able to make a few little bushes here and there. Just a little bit of more white there. Just one there. Down here we'll just do a little bit of grassy stuff there. So we're going to put this here. The title artwork is Lunar Glow, and that was by Broxtonite, wasn't it? Painting number 336. Here's my signature.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please support me by leaving a comment, liking and sharing, and repost the video. It helps out massively and makes it all worth it.